How to fix login error in Expedia application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and tap on your Wi-Fi or mobile data to turn it on. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet. However, if you're still facing problem with the logins, you want to simply navigate yourself to the application, scroll down until you see the Expedia application and click. Here's our application. Simply tap and hold on it and click on app info. Click on storage and cache and simply clear. And here at the bottom of your screen, you can see the option called clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache to clear the cache of the application. And if you want to delete the files, you can simply click on clear storage. By doing so, the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.